All right, guys, we got the bright outdoor solar pathway lights. This is a 6-pack. The people from the Usiako store, so people at Usiako contacted me, wanted me to take a look at these lights they have. So happy to do that. Color changing warm white LED solar lights. They're outdoor waterproof, solar powered garden landscape lights for pathway, yard, walkway, lawn, driveway, and backyard. All right, so let's take these out of the box. Here's what they sent me right here. Either white lights or changing color lights. So these are not just normal, regular, maybe boring white lights only. So if you want to get in a festive mood, you can add some color. So if you have a party or something, then definitely that might be something you want to think about. Outdoor lighting with solar lights is definitely something that is attractive to me as a homeowner. I feel like if I can get lighting outside, keep things lit up at night when it gets so dark, to prevent unwanted characters from perhaps scurrying around at night. You don't want everything to be all dark at your house at night. Just invites opportunity for people to come mess with your stuff or so if the light is up higher off the ground with these extender, you have the stake right here, this little black extender piece here, and another clear piece here. You stick that on top of it, and then the globe, and then the solar panel with the light in it here at the top. So if you do this, then you're going to be able to have the light shining down on the ground and have more room to see the design from the different colors if you choose the colors, or just the clear white light. All right, and then this option here, you can just put it down lower to the ground with the stake and not have as much, not have it up as high. So this is more probably for the pathways to get more of a design as you're walking through your pathway, and this would be maybe in areas more like by a flower bed or tree. We're going to put them in this little pathway leading to the above ground pool right here, just to kind of see how they look. And so I'm going to go ahead and stick some in the ground here. The ground's kind of moist. We've been getting a lot of rain. Very good. So I'm going to push them down right here. And I put these on the white light mode right now, just to see how they do. Stick another one maybe right here. So we'll let these soak up the sun today, and then we'll see how they do tonight when it gets dark. Tell you what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna switch this around. I'm gonna put these with the multicolored lights to the right. Turn them to the right. Make sure I do it to the right. And to the right. So these tall ones will have the multicolored changing lights, and the little ones in the ground here by the steps, I'm gonna put those to the left for the white lights, since they'll be down lower. There we go. All right, so all 6 lights in the ground. Hey guys, it's about 8:30 and the lights have had time all day to soak up the sunlight, and the solar panels are juiced up in full force. You can see that the light extensions, the lights with the extensions are changing colors, and they have this decorative little pattern here going on. It's not just a one flat color. It's got some little circles in it, so it's got a little pizzazz to the light that's being emitted onto the ground. You can see how the these are changing colors. Now, as I thought and predicted, my wife likes the extensions, but she would prefer the white lights as opposed to the multicolored ones. But it's nice to have the option here, and certainly, you know, if you have a party or something, you could go with these multicolored lights here. Now, here's the ones I put over here on the other side, and you can see they're the white lights only, and those are without the extensions. So let's see if I can turn these on to the, let's see if I can, it's kind of dark. Let's see. There you go. I'm gonna flip these over, the ones with the extensions. I'm gonna flick them over to the white light. There we go. Okay, so now all of the lights are now on the white setting now. I think for sure that these are something that'll work. I mean, it's a pretty bright beam, you know, it's a fairly bright beam of light is being emitted from these solar lights here. I feel like these are probably brighter than what you may have expected, or I may have expected. So, I mean, that's a significant amount of light being emitted from these lights, from these solar panel lights here. So these three over here, what we'll do probably, we'll get these out of the ground, and we'll put the extensions on these as well, and maybe take all of these, and she's talking about putting them in the front yard, flower bed in the front of the house. So that's probably what we'll do. So we'll see all kinds of positives here. If you're looking for solar paneled yard lights, stake lights here like this, definitely ones that you should get.